also back with Gwinnett Lawns in beautiful. Oh, does that sky get any bluer? Tell me, do you think that sky gets any bluer? It is 77 degrees out here right now. Oh, I forgot to take that limb to the dump. Anyway, it is, let me close this door here. It's February 4th, 2025. Yeah, it's 77 here. This is weird. The weather said we're having fake spring. They actually said that, fake spring. So, the video that's getting ready to that you're getting ready to watch is the video. I already shot it. I already did it. This I'm gonna put a picture of this Leland Cypress that I cut. I trimmed up. So I was actually gonna cut that down. You'll see from the picture how overgrown it was getting. It was getting all into the house and stuff. And I got up as far as I could with the ladder and the strap and the pole saw and all that. I got one little hanger I got to grab right there. But that thing looks like a Christmas tree on a post. I may just very well keep that there. I didn't want to chance cutting that down and having it take out the corner of my house or my neighbor's fence. That's their fence, not mine. And it's like 20 something years old, and it needs replacing. But anyway, so I was like, you know what, I may just keep that tree there. So the video you're gonna see, some of it's time-lapse, some of it I'm just gonna run in fast motion. It will give you something to watch. Some people like watching tree trimming and stuff like that. So